Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Roc Wit Be More. The song is Doing It Instrumental and Rock the Bells, Be More Club. The choreography is April, KARLITHIA, and TEARSA. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction. Definitely check out the choreographer, and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it. That's a workout, guys. That is Roc Wit, Be More. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.